Minasan, konnichiwa. Genki desu ka? So in this video ay isa-summarize natin yung napag-aralan natin on Hiragana from lessons 5 to 8. Ito yung magiging outline ng ating video. We have first, we review the Hiragana characters, and then yung vocabulary, and then yung pangatlo yung anime expressions. And 4, isa-summarize na natin yung lahat ng naaral natin from lessons 5 to 8. And sa 5, pag-uusapan natin kung ano yung susunod na lesson. We review the Hiragana characters that we have learned. Sa lessons 5 to 8 ay inaral natin tong parts na to, no? Yung ta, chi, tsu, te, to, tsaka yung T group na merong 10-10, no? Naging D group. Inaral din natin yung na, the N group, and the H group, kung saan inaral din natin yung B and P group. No? Yung H, very special siya kasi siya lang yung merong circle. No? Meron siyang 10-10 at meron din siyang circle o tinatawag natin na maru sa Japanese. Maru. So, ito yung mga inaral natin. We have ta, chi, tsu, te, to. Pag nilagyan natin ng 10-10, ito yung mga 10-10, no? Yung parang dalawang guhit na yan. Naging D group na siya. Naging da, chi, zu, te, do. And yung N group, we have na, ni, nu, ne, no. Inaral din natin yung H, B, and P groups. So sabi ko sa inyo kanina, yung H group, very special siya kasi siya lang yung merong circle na ganyan. So wala kayong makikitang ganyan sa ibang characters. So yung H group, ha, hi, fu, he, ho. Puro H yan except itong F. Parang hu, parang hinihipan, no? And then yung susunod, pag may 10-10, we have ba, bi, bu, be, bo. And pag may circle, magiging pa, pi, pu, pe, po. Next, we review the words that we have learned from lessons 5 to 8. Takai, or expensive. Ta-ka-i. Ichi. I-chi. 1. Chikatetsu. Chi-ka-te-tsu. Subway. Tegami. Te-ga-mi. So yung mi, naka-black siya kasi hindi pa natin siya naaaral. Lahat na naka-green na characters na aralan natin yan. So dapat nababasa nyo na siya. No? To-ke-hi. Toke or watch. Relo. For the D group, we have daisuki or love. Anime ga daisuki desu. So I love anime. Da-i-su-ki. Daisuki. Deguchi. Exit. De-gu-chi. Tomodachi. Tomodachi is friend. To-mo-da-chi. Tsuzuku is to continue. Tsuzuku. Dozo. Dozo is please or kindly. Do-uzo. Dozo. For the N group, we have nani means what. Nana, which means 7. Ni, which means 2. Miku, which means meat. Inu, inu, which means dog. Next, we have nuno. Nu-no, cloth. Neko, cat. Ne-ko. Okane, money. O-ka-ne. Nori. Nori is seaweed. No-ri. Again, the black character, hindi pa natin naaral. So, yan yung ri, no? Kino. Kino is yesterday. Ki, no, u. Kino. Now, for the H group, we have hana, which means flower. Hito, person. Fune. Fune is ship. Heta. Heta is unskillful. hoshi, star. Next, we have hai, ha-i, which means yes. Higashi, higashi, which means east. Futari, futari, two persons. Heya, room. Ho, For the B group, we have soba, noodles. Cabin. Buta, buta, pig. Kabe, wall. Boku, I or me. Next, for the P group, we have kampai, pa-i, kampai. And pitsu, pitsu, enpitsu, pencil. Sampung, 3 minutes. Next, peko, peko, hungry. Next, we have sampo or stroll. Po. Next, yung mga paborito nyong anime expressions na naaral na natin. So first, we have onigai, which means request or wish. Or pwede rin sabihin pag you want to say please. Onigai. O-ne-ga-i. Next, we have taihen. Taihen or serious, grave, terrible. Ta-i-he-n. Betsu ni. It's nothing. Betsu ni. Next, we have hazukashi, which means embarrass. Hazukashi. Next, we have hisashiburi. Hisashiburi. First in a long time. Sinasabi mo yan sa friend mo. Kung matagal na kayo hindi nagkita, you can say hisashiburi, which means long time no see. Number 6, naaral na rin natin yan. Tomodachi, which means friend. Tomodachi. Next, we have detekoi, to come out or to emerge. Detekoi. Next is bakemono or monster. Bakemono. Next is naruhodo. I see, that's right, or indeed. Naruhodo. And lastly, we have kampai. Naaral na rin natin to, no? Pag nagiinuman yung mga characters sa anime, kampai or cheers. Kampai. So what have we learned, no? Sa lessons 5 to 8, we learned 30 hiragana characters. We learned 50 new words and we learned 3 anime expressions. Ano yung susunod na aralin natin? Yan yung M group o yung ma, mi, mu, me, mo. That's it. Arigatou gozaimasu. Mata ne.